deliver a story. The title is Timun Mas. One small time, not far from a jungle, lived a husband and a wife. They were diligent farmers and always worked hard in the paddy fields. Every day they were praying for the child. Oh my God, give us a child. We have been waiting for a child for a long time to fill our loneliness, said the farmers. One night, while they were praying, a giant passed by their home. The giant heard them pray and said,
"Don't worry, I can help you, but you must settle the child on her 17th birthday."
Are you serious, giant? We agree. We really want a child, said the farmers. They were so happy that they did not think about the risk of losing their child later and agreed to every condition set by the giant. The giant gave them a few of cucumber seeds. The farmers took utmost care in planting and tending the seeds. Soon enough, the cucumber plants grew, and a big golden cucumber grew in the plants. The farmers plucked the ripe, the cucumber, and cut it open. They were astonished to see the beautiful girl inside the cucumber. "My husband, look at this!" began the baby girl from this golden cucumber. They adopted the child as their own daughter and named her Timun Mas. Timun Mas grew into a beautiful girl under her parents' loving care. On her 17th birthday, Timun's parents remembered their promise and became very sad. "How is this, my husband? Timun Mas is already 17 years old. Surely the giant will come here to take Timun Mas," said the mother. They had to keep their promise to the giant, but they also did not want to lose their beloved daughter. They called Timun Mas aside and said, "My daughter, take this faith. It can save you from the giant," said the father. "What giant? What do you mean, father? I don't understand," said Timun Mas. The farmers narrated the story of her birth to Timun Mas. Right then, the giant entered their house. "Run, Timun Mas! Save your life!" said the mother. The giant grew angry when he heard this. Timun Mas had started running. He ran after her. Timun Mas looked behind and showed that the giant was getting closer and closer. She opened the bag and threw a stone at him. It became a sea.
"What is this? Why suddenly there is a sea here?"
said the giant. The giant had to swim across the sea. When she showed that the giant was nearing her again, she opened the bag and threw some chili in his path. "For you, giant," said Timun Mas. The chilies grew and from a jungle looking his way. The sharp thorns on the trees hurt the giant. He cut away the trees and continued chasing Timun Mas. She threw them and then turned into a cucumber field. The giant's legs were tangled in the cucumber creepers and he kept falling down. Timun Mas! How dare you! Said the giant. Still, the giant managed to escape and continued running after Timun Mas. Timun searched her back again. She had one last magic staff. It was shrimp-based, Terasi. She threw it at him, and then Terasi turned into a big swamp. The giant tried to swim across the swamp, but he was very tired by now and drowned in the swamp and died. Feel it, giant! Giant! Said Timun Mas. Seeing that the giant had met his end, Timun Mas was happy and went back home. Timun's parents were happy to see their doctor return and the family was finally together again. That's all my story. From this story, we should not give up with all the problems of the life that happens in our life. Because every problem, there must be a solution. We don't feel alone because there is still God as our place to expect. The point is, we don't forget to pray to the ruler of the universe. Thank you very much for your attention